Hi all, Max from Metro Hobbies in the CBD today. So we've got a little bit of time, so I want to show you a couple of new items. So let's have a look. So, from the guys that brought you Wingnut ones, or some of the guys that brought you Wingnut Wings, some of them now got together and they've now got a new brand called Kotare. So this is the new Spitfire from them. This is their first kit. They've moved away from World War I. These guys are going to be probably doing more World War II. This is the first 32nd scale Spitfire Mk1 to be done, all new tool, to be done in 40 to 50 to 60 years. So this is really, really nice. So let's have a look what's in the box. We got wing sprues. Now these are very, very nicely done. Lots of detail. You can see all the panel lines. The panel lines are just beautiful in there, so it comes up really, really well. But have a look at the interior. There's so much work in there that you don't have to do. It's all there. The covers for the or the upper parts for the wheel bays and everything else. There's little parts there for the wing root section, so they've really thought about the kit and the way they're doing it. So that's that. This is the propeller and all that sort of stuff. So this is the covers. Now here, this is the sidewall detail for the cockpit. So this is really, really nice. But the beautiful part about this is all molded in. You don't have to do all that work and find all little parts and put it in. The parts count in the kit is not excessive. So they've kept it as simple as possible, but giving you as much detail as they possibly can. Look, the aftermarket people are probably going to come out with all sorts of things just because they can or will do. But to be honest, I don't reckon you need it. This is really, really well done stuff. The detail of these sort of things is just superb. Clear parts. Now, you've got a choice of canopies. You've got open canopies, closed canopies, all that sort of stuff as well. So that's a really well done. And it's nicely done, crystal clear. It's what you'd expect from the team that gave you Wingnut Wings. So this is really, really nice. Okay, fuselage, the most important part. So this is quite something to see. The detail is superb. The interior detail is just lovely. It's just really, really nicely done, well laid out. And again, a lot of it's already molded in, and the molding is really, really good. So you don't have all that hassle. Engine covers, all that sort of thing. That's the exterior. So just beautifully done. This is all part of the tail planes. And again, single-sided tail planes, but complete. Engine covers. That looks like part of the floor. So this is the cover to go over the fuel tanks and things like that. There's the rudders. So it's just really, really nicely done. So this is more of the cockpit parts again. So this is all your undercarriage legs and propeller. I think they give you two styles of propeller by the look of it. Where am I? Yeah, they do too. There's two styles of propeller. So you've obviously got the Rotol propeller, and I think it's de Havilland propeller in there. So that's quite something to see. The detail there is just lovely. Now, this kit is the production kit. This is not the pre-edition, limited edition one that had the resin exhaust. This is just the stock kit. So don't go looking for resin exhaust, they're not in there. So this is the base kit, just really, really well done. The wheels, it's got pre-flattened wheels there, as you can see just there. Just really nicely done. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And if you didn't think it was Wingnut Wings kit people involved, have a look at this. This is the instruction book. This is what you'd expect if you were picking up a Wingnut kit, because have a look at this. Just all this sort of work. Just every little minor detail that I can tell you about, every color piece that you can think of. And it all fits beautifully. To the point, you have to be careful, because if you don't clean up all the parts properly, you will push the parts of the kit out further down the track and you won't know what's going on. So this is all just beautifully done. But the thing I like, have a look at this. There's 3 decal choices. It's essentially a history of each aircraft involved with that particular marking and the pilots. because some of these aircraft were flown by 2 or 3 pilots and scored different victories in them as well. But even down to the point, there's little notes about little colour pieces on certain parts and everything else. So, as I said, if you didn't think this was involved with the people from Wingnuts, there they are there. So that is very, very cool. Nice big instruction decal sheet, very well laid out. It's covered over in a thing, and I don't like to open it because these are very, very important kits, so we don't like to open the bags to show things because they're all sealed. But really, really nicely done. So, if you're looking for the latest technology Spitfire Mk1, you've got to get one of these. They're in stock now. Come and have a look at it, even if you just want to see what it's like. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later.